Hello, little geniuses. I am your friend and your host, Goat. Ready for a super fun brain adventure? Let's play. Quiz quest on animals. Which animal is the tallest in the world? And your options are A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Kangaroo, D. Zebra. The correct answer is giraffe. Moving to the next question. How many legs does a spider have? And your options are A. 6, B. 8, C. 4, D. 10. The correct answer is B. 8. Moving to the next question. Which animal can fly? A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Bird, D. Elephant. The correct answer is C. Bird. Moving to the next question. What do pandas eat? A. Grass, B. Bamboo, C. Bananas, D. Berries. The correct answer is bamboo. Moving to the next question. What sound does a duck make? A. Moo, B. Quack, C. Meow, D. Roar. Correct answer is option B. Quack. You are going good so far. Moving to the next question. What does a cow give us? A. Wool, B. Eggs, C. Milk, D. Honey. The correct answer is C. Milk. Moving to the next question. Which animal lives in a hive? A. Ant, B. Bee, C. Spider, D. Bat. The correct answer is B. Moving to the next question. Which animal lives in water and has fins? A. Frog, B. Fish, C. Duck, D. Tortoise. The correct answer is B. Fish. Moving to the next question. Which of these animals has black and white stripes? A. Giraffe, B. Tiger, C. Zebra, D. Panda. Your answer is C. Zebra. Moving to the next question. Which of these animals lives in cold places? A. Penguin, B. Lion, C. Deer, D. Rabbit. The correct answer is A. Penguin. You did it! You completed the quiz quest. Here's your golden star of brilliance. Come back soon for more fun.